Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow apps through the firewall on Windows 10. The Windows firewall acts as a security barrier between your computer and the internet, but sometimes you may need to allow specific apps or features to access the network. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process. Let's get started. Hey there, Windows 10 users. Today we're going to show you how to allow apps through the firewall on your computer. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. Step 2. In the search bar, type Windows Security and select it from the search results. Step 3. Click on Firewall and Network Protection to access the firewall settings. Step 4. Now look for the option that says Allow an app through firewall and click on it. Step 5. A new window will appear. Click the Change Settings button to modify the firewall settings. Step 6. In the list of apps and features, check the box next to the app or feature you want to allow through the Windows 10 firewall. If the app isn't on the list, no worries. Simply click the Allow Another App button and locate the application you want to allow. Step 7. Take a moment to decide on the type of networks the app can access. You have two options, private and public. Select private if you want to allow the app access to the network at home or work, or choose public if you want to allow access at a public place. Step 8. Once you've made your selections, click the OK button to save the changes. And that's it. You have successfully allowed the selected app or feature full access to the network on your Windows 10 computer. Congratulations on successfully configuring your firewall settings. Now, your desired apps and features can seamlessly access the network on Windows 10. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy networking.